How do you do, everyone? Tomorrow, during the evening, there is an upcoming play for the theatre. But today is Jokes Galore Day, and since all the other puppets heard about it, I'm worried that they might come up with some offended jokes about me. Well, I have no idea what the play is, but I'll know from Mrs. Peterson later on. Hey, how you doing, everybody from Television Land? I still can't believe that it's Jokes Galore Day, and I thought of some practical jokes that I can play on my friends, including Rainbow. Here's a joke for you. Knock knock. Who's there? Alaska. Alaska who? Alaska later. Get it? I'll ask you later? Well, I'm still working on it. Hey, Rainbow. Shivering shot. Well, come on, Dylan. That could have given me a... That could have given me the Jeepers Creepers. I could see your sleepers. Well, made you look. Hi. Hey, Rainbow. What's not black or white, but colorful all over? A coloring book? No, you. Yo. You know, I feel completely offended by that joke of yours. I feel like you knew that it was Jokes Galore Day. Yes. Well, there is going to be an upcoming play, so don't do any embarrassing things to the audience. Not even the people at Television Land? No, not even the people from Television Land. My other friends are coming to participate with me, so don't joke around with them. Hey, Rainbow. What do you call two states that sweep the entire floor? What? Sweepstakes. I know I'm still getting over Dylan's joke of his. Anyway, Miss Peterson told me that the play is going to be about, well, if I'm not mistaken, I believe it's called Random Acts of the Year. What's it about? Well, only one way to find out. Plus, I hope Dylan won't be involved in this. If he does, he would create one of the most embarrassments in theater history. That's what he thinks. Hello, and good evening, everyone. We got some interesting plays we're going to show you, starting with The Detective Puppets. Hey, what do you call an alligator that likes to solve mysteries and crimes? An investigator. Will you get out of here? Besides, you are not a detective puppet. Everybody's a critic. You know, those detective puppets were interesting. For those who didn't see it, it was about them solving a stolen cow. I bet that detective, sorry, Detective whatchamacallits had to get moving since finding something that's stolen is a whole lot of moolah. Dylan, now we are going to see a couple of puppets dancing to Waiting for a Girl Like You by Faulkner. Enjoy. I believe we ran out of time. Remember I said that this play was called Random Acts of the Year? Well, those were some random acts, and hope we will get to see some more random acts for future plays. Hey, Rainbow, what does the master say when a knight does a good job? What? Good night. I get it. You know, Dylan, you should maybe go see if you can audition to be a stand-up comedian. Maybe someday. Good night, Rainbow. Good night, Dylan. You know, maybe I can do comedy as well. Well, who knows?